Hi, thank you again for downloading Expression Base. In this video, we will walk you through the usage of Expression Base. If you see a red X notification after successfully activating your Expression Base, that means your session is timed out and you need to log in again. To log into your account, please click on the Login button, the arrow icon, and enter your MotionRoutes username and password. Let's have a quick look at the Settings panel. We already covered the first two buttons, Activation and Login. The next button will bring you to our documentation website to learn more about using Expression Base. The rest of the three buttons are used to contact our support team in case of any issue, check our latest blog post, and check for any new updated version of Expression Base. Now let us take a look at the next panel, the Public Expression panel. To do so, click on the Public Expression button, the list icon. This panel will load all the available public expressions on our servers. Public expressions are a collection of top-level After Effects expressions that were made by our After Effects gurus and were transformed by our MotionRoutes team to be used in Expression Base. Please note that all Expression Base users have access to the Public Expressions section and are free to use any of them. You can search for a specific After Effects expression by its name or a whole set of After Effects expressions by their common tag. Now let's select some public expressions to add to our demo account. When we are done, let's click on the Save button. Now it's time to take a look at the Search panel, the one you will use a lot. For that matter, click on the Search panel button, the magnifier icon. As you can see, the public expressions that we selected earlier are loaded super fast, thanks to the Expression Base preloading feature. In each expression, you can check the associated tags for that particular expression by clicking on the Display Tags button, the hashtag icon. You can also edit your expression by clicking on the Edit Expression button. However, you can only edit your own custom expression, not the public ones. Additionally, you can delete any expression from your account. And to do so, you need to click on the Delete Expression button, the trash icon. For demo purposes, let's delete one expression. The next button is the Help. When clicked, it will show us the expression help or description. And the last button is for any existing online expression tutorial. When clicked, you will be redirected to the documentation website where you can read more about this expression. Alright, now let's see Expression Base in action. For that matter, we will set up a solid layer inside a full HD composition. A side note, you can set up your own custom shortcut to launch the Expression Base search panel. In our case, we are using the Shift+<= key to fire the Expression Base search panel. We will apply the wiggle expression on the position property of that solid layer. To do so, just click on the expression slot, and a new pop-up will ask for injection mode, master control, or single layer control. Please note that the master control is only available in the premium version. We will start by selecting the single layer control. And voila, the expression was injected and sliders were linked automatically to that layer's properties. Here, the wiggle expression has two main parameters, frequency and amplitude. Let's add some values to see the effect in action. Let's take up a notch and create two more copies of that solid layer. Then let's inject the wiggle expression on all of their position property with the help of the single layer control feature. And there you go, we successfully inject the wiggle expression on each layer with one single click. Now we can tweak the parameters individually. Now let's check another killer feature of Expression Base, the master control. For that matter, we will create 6 more copies of the solid layer. Then let's select their position properties and inject the wiggle expression with the help of the master control. And there you go, all of the expressions are driven by the two parameters linked to the EB master control layer, which Expression Base created automatically. It does not stop there. You can add an unlimited number of expressions and an unlimited number of layers within that composition using the master control. And to do so, we will apply the wiggle expression to the rotation property of 3 layers. Last but not least, let's take a look at the Editor panel. To launch it, you need to click on the Editor panel button, the plus icon. On the left side, we have the expression body. Please note that this is a real JavaScript editor and it supports syntax highlighting. One of the most important features of the expression base is the Smart Expression Controls. It allows you to create expression control like a slider control and link it to your expression using the code itself. Here we will add two slider controls using the @s command. Please note that every Smart Expression control must be prefixed with the expression control name. In our case, we will name the first slider Freck, then we will add the @s, so make sure that we create a slider control. And we will do the same for amplitude. On the right side, we have the expression title that will be displayed on your search panel. Also, we have the description or the expression helper, where you can add every hint related to your custom expression. Then we have the tags, where you can tag your expression with any desired tag you want. Let's now save our custom expression into our account and let's test it out. And there you go! Your newly created custom expression worked like a charm. The sliders are linked and named correctly. Another thing to mention is that you can create a temporary expression and inject it without the need to save it into your account. Also, you can pull any expression from any given layer into your editor panel to tweak it as needed. Lastly, you can always customize the theme of your editor and the font size under the Settings panel. In this example, we will pick the Chrome theme and we will increase the font size by 2 points. Please note that only 2 themes are available in the free version. And voila! That was the expression base on its first version. Stay tuned for many upcoming features and expressions. Thank you one more time for your precious time.